Alright guys, so here a while back I was at this old man's house and he, we're talking about hot rods or whatnot. He's like, man, you want to know the best chrome polish? He said, Lava Soap. And I said, what? And he said, yeah. And so he pulled out his bar from over by his wash station where he washes his hands and a piece of chrome. And he went to scrubbing on it and it turned out pretty good. So I want to show you the same thing. This is basically what he did. He said, you got to wet it down. Now look, I got this taped off so we can tell the difference. And this is a piece that somebody else has already polished on. So we'll use that as our comparison. But yeah, basically just taking, scrub this piece down. Let's see if we can tell a difference here. See, can you see that? They actually did a pretty decent job on it. Now just for comparison, I sprayed this one down. It probably wouldn't take much to polish this side up either, but I feel like that done a pretty good job. Alright, so here's I think this is the same piece of trim. Yeah. So there's the one we just scrubbed. This is what it was like before. Here's one that's in a little rougher shape. There's even like some paint on it. I mean, you can see that. So let's give it a try and see how it does. And the first thing we do is wet it down. so you can even see, let's pull this tape off and see what it looks like. You can see the difference in the two of them right there. Like that. Alright, now there's one more thing I want to try. This grill is, I believe it's stainless, but it's got a little rust on it. I want to see if it'll... Yeah, it pulled the rust right off there. I think this works pretty good. Alright, so let's try one more thing. So this is what I got here. We're going to give this a try. I got a bottle of 91% alcohol, got a bar of soap, and a cheese grater. So I'm going to do is I'm going to take the soap, I'm going to grate it up. Alright, so now we're going to add the alcohol. Now the thought on the alcohol is we're going to want something that will dissolve or that will evaporate pretty quickly, and alcohol usually does that. So we're going to add this alcohol in. I don't want to add too much. I think that'll be pretty good. And give it a good shake. Sorry guys, my camera died. Okay, so this has been sitting for about 15 minutes while my battery was charging. You can tell it's kind of, I don't know, it's kind of dissolving pretty good. Now what I am going to do is add a little bit of water because that alcohol, I don't want it dissolving too fast. Now I don't have a perfect mixture for this because this is my first time doing it, honestly. But I think that alcohol is kind of thickening everything up. Now there's still some chunks settling at the bottom. Like I said, this has only been sitting for about 15-20 minutes. You can see it's kind of separating now that the water's in there. We'll shake it up good, and then let's go try it on a bumper. I haven't polished this bumper in a long time. Usually I just wash the car. I don't really, chrome polishing really ain't my cup of tea. Anyways, let's go give it a try. Alright, so let's try one more spot. If you can see right here, there's a bunch of rust behind this license plate where the gas can is. I'm gonna shake it up good again. all that dirt it took off. And try to buff this stuff out. I feel like that's done a pretty good job. Hey guys, thanks for watching. This is about the cheapest wave I've ever found to do something like this. I really appreciate your views and your comments. So if you keep them coming and hit that subscribe button, I really appreciate it. Thank you. God bless. Y'all have a good day.